Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to do a tutorial on how to play Come Little Children from the film Hocus Pocus. So it's a song that the Sarah Jessica Parker character sings. This is my own arrangement that I figured out just by ear, just from listening to the clip from the film. So let's do the melody line first. So you're going to start with your thumb on A, so the A above middle C, which is there. And then we're going to go A, C, D, E, 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 G of sharp, E, D. Let's do that bit again. And then the next part to that is F, E, D, C, D, C, B, E. Let's do that bit again. F, E, D, C, D, C, B, E. So altogether that part goes like this. So now let's look at the left hand of that section. So the left hand is playing chords. So you can either just play them as chords and sustain them, or you can, if you want to make it sound more full and make it a bit more advanced, you could separate them like I did in the preview at the beginning of the tutorial. So the first chord is an A minor chord, which is A, C, E. And then it's moving down one. So literally just shifting the same shape, if you like, down by one, to G major, which is G, B, D, and then down again, the exact same shape, to F major, which is F, A, C, and then down again to E major, which is E, G sharp, B. So if I get them fingers out the way. So it's just doing this descending chord progression. So it's A minor, G major, F major, E major. And this is how both hands fit together. So I'll just do it by holding down the chords first to keep it simple. And then move to G, and then move down to F, and then to E major. Let's try that again. So that's the first section. Let's go over the second half and we'll do the melody line first. So it's very similar, so it starts off the same. And then it goes F, E, D, C, D, C, B, C, B, A. We'll try that bit again. So the left hand in this bit goes like this. F, and then an A minor inversion chord, which all you're going to do is move your little finger to E. So it saves you having to go all the way back up there and move your entire hand. So it just means that you have to move one finger. I've linked in the description below an entire video I've done on inversion chords, so go and check that out because it's really useful for playing songs that are based around chords. That bit goes again. And then we've got the E major chord again. And then if you wanted to end it there, you end back on the A minor chord because it's in the key of A minor. So I'm going to play that last section again, both hands. So let's have a go at connecting those two sections together. I'm going to play it really slowly. Let's have a go then at breaking up the chords. So I'm going to do this really slowly. So that's the end of the tutorial. I hope that's been useful. I've linked in the description below my Halloween themed piano tutorial playlist. So go and check some of those out in the lead up to Halloween. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.